Alright guys, Cheney is moving. They decided to go. They decided they've been waiting long enough. I don't want to have the horn blown on me. Oh wow, it's the same. These are different engines than last time. Actually might not have to since the crossings go down automatically. I don't want to jinx it. It's not going to go off there, or it probably will. Oh. Oh, thank God. I own this road now. And here we are. Wow, wow. Listen to the rumble on those things. Oh, wow, double coupler. They have double knuckles! Yeah! I've always wanted to see those up close. I wanted to touch it, but that would probably just crush my hand. Oh, wow! Blue! DT Texas? Ditmar, Texas. Okay. Ditmar, Texas. Ditmar, Texas. Ditmar, Texas. Ditmar, Texas. DT, Texas. It's not Ditmar, Texas. Ditmar is somewhere in the UK, isn't it? Wow. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, no. Oh, wow. Valley. It feels nice. Lots of shelling.